Welcome to Zim Celebrity TV. Patinenge tichikunzirai latest gossip nyaya dziri kutenderera pasocial media. Talent chiwenga chinyomba Zanupf team evarakasha chidedzera kuti imimi muri mbavha dzevanhu, you can't bribe me, inani handitengeke. Chese chinobatwa neZanupf vanouraya teraya munzwenga zvakaoma.
This is said, believers, and the true church will not be quiet. They can't bribe me, they can't threaten me, I will talk. If Timnanga Gwa has failed, he must go. If there's distraction, everything he touches, it dies. He's a cursed man. Right now, if we were going to check the car that this minister came driving, selling that car could give us enough money to buy proper blankets, proper beds and mattresses for this hospital. That's what happens when you have a bourgeoisie government, a government of people with an elitist mindset. It's very sad. Kuti ufunge kuti vanhu ivavapuwa morphine papapa for pain. This is said, believers, and the true church will not be quiet. They can't bribe me, they can't threaten me, I will talk. If Timnanga Gwa has failed, he must go. If there is any shame in him, he must go.
I'm sure you have heard from the horse's mouth and Tengeke. Thank you so much.